YouTube just paid me a crazy amount of money for just 5,000 views. Like, the real shock is I didn't expect it at all, especially as a Nigerian creator. The RPM and CPM on this one video was so crazy. Like, I had to triple check on my dashboard to see if this is truly my dashboard. But before I show you the number, let me break down exactly how this happened, because you too can do the same thing as a creator from this part of the world. So guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Chino. And right here we talk about ways you can make money online, how-to tutorials, and also how you can grow a YouTube channel. So if this is your first time on this channel, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if you got value. So if you're a small creator or you are still trying to get your bag from YouTube, stick around. I'm about to show you what made me earn this much money from YouTube, how CPM and RPM really works on YouTube, and also the exact money YouTube paid me as a small creator. So first, let's clear this up. In case you are wondering, what's the meaning of CPM and RPM? Like, what does that mean? So CPM means cost per mile. So this is basically how much advertisers pay YouTube per 1,000 views that your videos generate. Do you understand? And RPM means how much you actually earn per 1,000 views after YouTube takes their own cut. Yeah, YouTube usually take their cut. For every money you make on YouTube, they usually take 45% of the money. So let's assume that your CPM was about $20. It means your RPM could be around $11. Yeah, it means that $11 is the actual amount you earned from that video after they've taken their 45% cut. Now let me tell you 5 things that made me or made my number go crazy. What made me earn this much money from this one video? So let me go to where the video is. So I'll head on to analytics. So make sure you pay attention so that you can implement all the things I'll reveal to you in this video. So this particular video talked about how we can fix this video, how to fix we restrict certain activity on your Instagram. This first video you are seeing right here, you get. So in the last 28 days, it has generated about 1,500 views for me. So make sure you pay attention, guys. So the first thing that helped this video perform very well is the niche of this video. So this video was on a high value topic, like you can say it's under tech niche or let's say education niche. And if you check the most profitable niches on YouTube, like these two niches fall under one of the most profitable niches on YouTube. The second thing that helped this video perform well is the audience location. So let's go to where the audience are. So despite I am in Nigeria, a chunk of its audience came from USA. Like, that's a big plus. USA is one of the high earning countries on YouTube. As you can see right here, can you see? 25% of its audience came from USA. And the last thing that helped my video perform very well is the SEO. Like, my SEO was really on point, from the title to the thumbnail. I guess you can see the thumbnail right here, to the thumbnail, to the tags. The tags I used, they were all on point. All this helped me rank on YouTube and also helped me get the suggested traffic that my video needs. So all this made YouTube push the video to people that actually love paying. And that's one thing advertisers love. They love people that love paying. And you know, USA has an audience of people that pay a lot online. So here's one flaw this video has. I want to review that flaw to you guys so you can take that into notes, and also be careful whenever you're making your next video. So this video is actually very short. That is the flaw this video has. It is actually very short. So let me show you the length of the video. Let me go to my channel. So this is the video right here. Can you see? You can see it is just 2 minutes 52 seconds. Just 2 minutes 52 seconds. Like, the length of the video is just so short. So if you want to earn more with your videos, ensure they are at least 8 minutes long. Like, this gives you the privilege to place mid-row ads and earn more. Hope you get the point. Ensure that your videos are at least 8 minutes long. If you have a video that is 7 minutes 59 seconds long, you won't earn as much as someone that has 8 minutes long video. Hope you get the point, guys. So that being said, let me give you guys some quick advice on how you can replicate this for yourself, or probably do better, before I now go ahead and review how much they actually paid me on these views you can see right here. So here's how you get a better RPM for yourself. Firstly, ensure you post contents that advertisers care about, not just trends. Don't just go about posting random trends. Ensure you post content that advertisers care about. Secondly, ensure you add value. Make sure your content are very valuable so that your audience stays to the end of the video. You want to also ensure you use searchable titles that are searchable. You want to ensure you target high paying countries. Do Do you understand? So also ensure you upload consistently on YouTube. The thing about YouTube is that momentum attracts more views, and views equals to more money for you. Hope you get the point. Also, optimize your thumbnail. Use great hooks to boost your click-through rates and also your watch time. Like, take your time to learn how you can get better with SEO so that you can optimize your thumbnail better. You can get better hooks for your videos. You can get people hooked to your videos. Do you get? Okay, so here's the moment you have been waiting for. For this one video, here's how much I made for this one video. For this video, I have about 4,551 views. Then I was paid can you see that? I was paid about $14.82. In naira, that's about 21,900 naira. So guys, you might feel this is small, but to me, I know this is a lot of money for this video, considering the fact that it is a very short video. Like, that's the highest RPM I've ever gotten on my channel. Let me show you the RPM right here. When I go to revenue, then we scroll down here, can you see an RPM of $3.32 and a CPM of $6.33. Like, most creators from this part of the world don't usually earn up to $3 with their RPM. I think this is an amazing result, guys. This video alone made me more money than most videos on my channels with the highest views. Trust me, it is not just about getting views, but about getting the right views for yourself. And like I said, this video could have made me more money if the length was longer than this. But then, it is what it is. So, well, if I can do this, you too can do this. So, YouTube in 2025 still has money on the table. You can still make money from YouTube. You just need to create smart content. Well, if you got value, guys, if you got value from this video, do like to like this video, drop a comment in the comment section, and also subscribe if you want more videos like this. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.